Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets to save orders. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on. Then click here right next to your profile to open up Google Apps and scroll down to select Sheets. Once Google Sheets is open up a blank spreadsheet. And now just name this sheet orders. And now I'm just going to paste something here. All these, they are going to be our headers. So we're going to use the first row for this. So in column A, enter order ID. Then in column B, enter customer name. In column C, enter order details. And just fill in the rest with the following. Select the top of the column where you wrote the headers. Head over here and align everything in the center. Now I'm just going to delete what I pasted here before. And if you need to expand the columns, I'm going to do that with mine. Now select the headers and click on B here to make the text bold. You could also change the font style, but I'm going to leave mine like this and make it a bit bigger. And if you'd like, you could also add a border around it. I'm going to do that. And you could also change the background color. I'm going to make mine a light green. Now just fill the spaces underneath the headers with the appropriate details. And when you get to the other details, if the space is too small for you, you could add a note to accommodate. Right click and select insert note, and here you can enter whatever you want. And now if you just hover over the cell, you'll see the details you entered in the notes. For the order dates, we're going to make it a lot easier to enter whatever dates you want to. So click the first cell under this section, head over to data, then select data validation. Then click on add row and change the criteria here from drop down to is valid date. Then scroll down and under this, if the data is invalid, select reject the input, then click on done. And now if you just double click on the cell, you'll see a calendar pop up, making it a lot easier to enter your desired date. Now to apply this same rule to the other rows, simply click and drag the blue corner as far down as you need to. And if you ever run out, you can just start again from the last cell with the information and drag the blue corner as well. Now what we did for the other days, we're going to do it for the delivery data as well. So I'm going to expand this section a bit. We're going to click on the cell, head over to data validation, then add row, change the criteria from drop down to is valid dates, click and select reject the inputs, then click on done. And now just click and drag the blue corner as far down as you need to. Now you can just enter the dates in these two sections. I'm going to do that. If you'd like to have the background of the delivery dates change depending on how many days it is before the dates, like if it's 2 days, you can use conditional formatting. So head over to formats, then select conditional formatting. And here you can select the range you'd like to apply to by entering a column. And I want it to stop at E15. So I'm just going to enter that. And change the format rules to custom formula is. And I'm just going to paste a formula here. I'm going to leave the formula on the screen and in the description. And this E2 here is the cell, but since I selected E2 to E15, I'm going to change this to add a column and add E15. Same with this, I'm going to add E15 here as well. And the today here is +2 is 2 days before the delivery date. You can change this color, make it whatever you want. I'm going to make mine red. I'm going to change the fill color, make that red. change the text color back. And now you can just click on done. Make sure you enter the appropriate column information in this code, otherwise it won't work. So since mine was E2 to E15, this row here, that's what I entered here. So make sure you enter whatever row you start on and whatever row you end on. Now for the amount paid section, I'm just going to select the rows underneath it, then head over to format, then under number, select currency. And now if you enter any number here, it will change it to a currency. And for the delivery status here, we're going to use a drop-down menu. To do that, click and drag to select as many cells as you wish. Then head over to insert, then select drop-down. And for the drop-down, I'd like to see the options pending, shipped, and delivered. You can enter whatever you want. In option 1 here, I'm going to enter pending and change the color here, make it a light yellow. For the second option, I'm going to enter shipped, change the color to a light green. And if you need more options than what's available here, select add another item. And here I'm going to enter delivered and change the color, make it a dark green. Then click on done. And if you select the drop down menu, you will see the available options you entered before. Now just to make sure everything is aligned in the center, select the top of the column, then align everything in the center, and you can choose your desired delivery status. And now that everything here is set, you can go ahead and fill the rows with any information you need to. Now if you'd like, you could turn the whole data here to a table. To do that, use Ctrl A or Command A on your Mac, then head over to Format, then Convert to Table. And when you convert it to a table, you'll see that it will be much easier to sort through the information here. For instance, if you wanted to find an order based on the dates, you could click here, this down arrow here, then select filter column. Now select filter by condition, then change the condition to text contains and enter whatever you're looking for here. Let's say I wanted to find all the orders for the 15th. Click on OK, and it will filter out all the orders that were made on this particular day. This is very useful if you have a lot of orders on the sheet. And that's all you need to do to save orders on Google Sheets. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.